Hey, this is Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So, there's not a lot of squeezes out there. Normally, I like to trade tickers with a squeeze, but I actually really like this pattern even though it does not have one. Why do I like it? Well, as you can see, there's a very nice trend right here. You have stacked moving averages, you have price that's above the moving averages, they come down, they bounce, they continue higher. And when you look over here, you can see that there is a VZO breakout buy happening. So what that means is that you have something that got oversold, there's a little bit of consolidation, and then boom, volume starts coming into the stock, and usually that happens when it breaks above the 50 simple, and then it's up on to new highs. So that's what I'm looking for in DICS. As long as this can sit up above the 50 simple, hold there, and then have a follow through day, we should be looking at, at least a retracement into 135, if not 150. So personally, I would target 135, then I would target 150. I think it would be easiest to do with put credit spread, especially when you have earnings coming up. Like selling the 125s, buying the 120s, or selling the 130s, buying the 125s, something like that. But I like this company. I think they've shown some pretty solid growth, especially throughout the pandemic, people being outside more, stuff like that. They tend to do really well in earnings, especially last quarter with this major gap up. And typically when you have a breakaway gap like that, even though it did come back and fill, you typically see a pretty decent run into earnings. So I'm looking at that to the long side. Think it looks pretty good. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey traders, it's Danielle here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will never miss the latest take from our trading experts. Did you know that we provide real-time trade alerts so that you know exactly what we're doing, exactly when we're doing it? Go to www.simplertrading.com to learn more. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.